Aska from Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Yes, what surah of the Quran is Sunnah for Imam to recite after Al-Fatihah in the first two rak'ah of Fajr, Maghrib and Isha?
For Sunnah of Fajr and of Maghrib, in the Salah itself, there isn't any particular, in the Fard itself, for Fajr, Maghrib and Isha, there isn't a particular Sunnah. The Sunnah in Fajr is to prolong the prayer. So sometimes in Fajr of Jumu'ah, for example, every single Friday in Fajr, the Prophet used to recite Surah Alif Lam Mim As-Sajdah, and the second rak'ah Surah Al-Insan, Hal Ata Ala Al-Insani Hinun Min Ad-Dahr. Every single Fajr. In Maghrib prayers, the Prophet used to recite sometimes At-Tur, sometimes Al-A'raf, which is one of the long 7 surahs of the Quran, and the vast majority would recite short surahs. In Al-Isha, the Prophet ordered Mu'adh ibn Jabal to shorten it and to recite with Sabbih Isma Rabbika Al-A'la and the short surahs with Tini wa Zaytun and the likes. This is the Sunnah for the Fard prayer. So there isn't any specific surah that one should recite as an Imam.